elections are fought on ideology and identity.
Definitely.
They are not fought. They're not fought like in certain other states.
They do not bother
let me
about
make
the
one
dynasty.
point. Rajdeep, let me make one
Already
point.
discussed. Already it is exhausted.
Okay.
There is no problem about the dynasty.
I just have a minute.
Secularism and communalism. This is the war between
You're saying-
ADMK front and DMK front.
It's very interesting though you're saying secularism versus communalism.
Rajdeep, let me
I am
make
now
one last
discovering-
point.
Versus communalism.
I am now discovering-
we will defeat communalism in Tamil Nadu.
Every political party in its own way now is also, including the Dravida parties, turning towards religion which they once rejected. Temples are being now...
Religion belief is entirely different from communalism.
Okay.
They are using religion.
See,
They are
Rajdeep,
using religious belief for their political gain. We are talking about their BJP agenda only. We are not against to Hindus or Hindu
You know,
belief.
Rajdeep.
Okay.
We are not against Hindu
We
belief.
just have a couple of minutes. Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao, you know, you take out a Ram Rath Yatra in the north, it's very successful. You take out a Vetrivel Yatra in Tamil Nadu, it doesn't attract the same crowds. The AIDMK government actually tries to stop it, one size doesn't fit all. The formula that you adopted for North India, Western India, maybe East also, Jai Shri Ram, doesn't work in Tamil Nadu. Do you accept that or not? You need a new formula for Tamil Nadu. Modi, Shah perhaps need a new playbook for Tamil Nadu.
See, our playbook has three major ideological supports, values. One is Ekatva Manavatavad, which is integral humanism. Next is nationalism. Third is development. The gentleman has to understand what is Bharatiya Janata Party ideology. We are not Congress party to go communal, to cut the cake and have vote banks. We are a party which is on development plank. We believe civilizational transformation, not just nation. So that is Bharatiya Janata Party. So when we are fighting an election, we are talking about inclusive development. We are talking about nationalism. We are talking about the civilizational transformation.
Okay,
we are not going into the small aspects of religion and caste.
The civilization transformation, nationalism, everything based on their own Sanatan policies. So
what's wrong?
Sanatan.
So what's wrong? That's the fact.
They want to retain.
That is the past. You want to get rid of the past.
They want to bring
You want
the
to be
people
just a nation.
Okay,
We want to be a civilization.
We could have a fascinating argument between Ambedkarism.
So one nation,
and
one
Sanatan
culture is
Dharma.
there. One nation, one culture is their nationalism. What do you mean by one nation, one culture?
We didn't say that. You have coined that term.
No.
We said one nation, one
people
law.
are telling like that, propagating like
That
that.
you have coined that
Every
one
media
culture.
is having this slogan.
Sir.
One nation, one culture. One nation, one ration card.
It's
didn't
an
say that.
interesting idea whether
one
Hindutva-
nation, one
We
culture
didn't say
is
that.
totally undemocratic.
Okay.
This is
whether
anti-democracy.
cultural nationalism as defined by the...
Anti-pluralism.
Okay.
We didn't say that. You were saying it.
What kind of
I think looks
nationalism
like
you
your
have?
party's ideology is all
What
that.
kind of nationalism you have?
Looks like you're spelling out your
Indian
ideology.
or Hindu? Indian is also nationalism, but you are talking about Hindus.
See,
you are propagating hybrid
Rajdeep,
politics.
I don't want to
We are
talk
doing-
over him, but the primary identity of anybody in this country is Bharatiyata. Indian. That's it. We don't believe in anything else. That is the primary identity.
That is the problem.
No, that's the problem. You don't understand.
We have many religion, we have many languages, we have many racial groups.
you don't
and
want to accept you're an Indian?
Ethnic groups here.
So
We
you don't
have
accept
many
you're an
culture-
Indian?
We have many cultures.
No, so you don't accept you're an Indian.
Yeah?
You're not an Indian first. You'll get
I am
recognized by
Indian
your
with
caste.
pluralism. With
You'll get recognized by your caste
I am
only.
Tamilian.
Then
My language is Tamil.
No,
you should
Sir, let him
you should
complete.
See, the
accept
idea-
it.
No, he's
why
not
are
completing.
you making all coming under one roof?
everything comes under one identity.
Hindu
Indian.
culture is the only culture of India.
That is the primary
Hindu
identity of
culture is the
everyone.
only culture of India.
I didn't say that.
Isn't
I'm
it?
saying
Hindu
all
religion is the
identity
only religion of
is
Sir,
India.
we've had three bells.
What do you
which
mean
is-
by Indian?
Sir, in Parliament
Hindu
also
only
once...
Indian.
Okay. Sir, the VCK's identity...
Pluralism is a very important factor.
I think it's
for
a
democracy.
fascinating debate between
Democracy
pluralism
means
and
pluralism
nationalism.
also.
Anyway, Tamil Nadu will speak loud and clear on April
So
6th.
how many seats will you all end up with?
We will have a comfortable
speaking
victory.
loud, not clear. You seem to be only speaking loud, not clear. That's the
If
problem.
it's not clear to you, it's your
Gentleman
muddled
right
head.
beside me too.
Okay, sir.
It's your muddled thinking which is not making my speech clear. April 6th will be a clear mandate, and we can meet after May 2nd. The Tamil Nadu will give a decisive mandate like it did in 2019. The UPA, the DMK-led front will have a decisive victory.
Okay, decisive mandate. On the other
Yes,
hand,
absolutely.
you want to put a number?
I totally agree with Mr. Karthi Chidambaram. The Tamil Nadu people are going to give a very decisive mandate. Edapadi K. Palaniswamy is going to take oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu 2021, and we, Amma's government, will continue to deliver to the people, and thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you very much. Okay. You know, I wish at this rate, if every party had a decisive party, we'd have had to have many more seats in your Tamil Nadu assembly. Because
Finally,
you'll want
fi-
175, they want 175.
Finally, I want to tell you
Yes,
one
sir.
thing. We are not bothering about the numbers, how many seats. We are not bothering about it. It may be less than last elections. We contested 10 constituencies in 2011. Now we got 6 constituencies
Yes.
in winning alliance. We are not bothering about it. But we work together to defeat communalism in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, you
is
made that
not,
point.
This is not mere election. This is not mere electoral alliance. We are fighting to defeat communalism in Tamil Nadu. We wish to win. We wish to save the social justice and secularism in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Please
This is
defeat
battle
DMK
for
alliance.
This is battle for social justice. This is a battle for secularism.
Okay, sir. You made your point loud and clear. We'll wait for the people of Tamil Nadu to decide what is the identity that is being fought for here. A cultural identity, a national identity, a regional identity, a caste-driven identity, a community-driven identity. Thank you all very much for joining us. Fascinating.